Today, we will be going over the Snom D785 IP phone. The phone features a 4.3-inch color display, and at the bottom of the display, we have our 4 soft keys. These keys will correspond to various actions based on what you are doing on the phone. Each one is labeled above on the screen. Below, we have the Do Not Disturb button. Pressing this will place your phone in Do Not Disturb mode. Once in Do Not Disturb mode, all calls will be forwarded to voicemail until you press again to leave Do Not Disturb mode. Next to those, we have the check, the X, and our D-pad. These are used for navigation as well as answering or hanging up on calls. To accept something in the menu or to answer a phone call or place a call that you have dialed, you would use the check button. To deny an incoming call or to close out of a menu item or to hang up on your current call, you would use the X key. When in menus, the D-pad is used for up, down, left, right, and center navigation. The center is also used as an OK, just as the check button. To the right-hand side of that, we have the retrieve voicemail key. When a voicemail is on your phone, you will have a lamp up at the top corner here that will light up. Pressing the retrieve button will dial into voicemail and allow you to listen to those messages. Below those, we have directory, which will bring you into the company directory of available numbers. Settings, which will give you various settings for the phone. Transfer, which we will go over later on transferring phone calls, as well as the hold key. This will place calls on hold on your phone. We will also go over these later. Below that, we have our standard number pad. And then below that, we have the mute key. Pressing this while on a call will mute your phone. You have the volume rocker. This will turn the volume up or down depending on what you are currently doing. If you are on a call, it will raise or lower your call volume. If you are not on a call, it will raise or lower the ringer volume. Next to that is our speakerphone button. Pressing this while on a call will change from the handset to speakerphone mode, and pressing this while on the idle screen will turn the speakerphone on and allow you to dial. The headset key will activate a headset if one is present connected to the phone. On the right-hand side here, we have our BLF keys. These are programmable keys, and these can change based on the programming of your system or your individual phone. They are labeled in the center on the screen here based on what they are. And depending on the key, it is possible that it may have an illuminated lamp next to it. These 6 keys can be stacked up to 24 total. Using the arrow key here will change your page, and up at the top you will see which page that you are on. To go back, you can either scroll all the way through or back again. Next, we will go over placing and receiving calls. To place a call, you may either pick up the handset, press the speakerphone, or the headset button. You'll dial your number, and then once ready, press the check button to send the call. Once you are done with your call, you can pick up and hang up the handset, the speaker, the headset button, or press the X to hang up. For calls coming into your phone, you may either pick up the handset, speakerphone, or headset key, or you can hit the check button to answer. Once you are done with your call, you may use any of these 3 options to hang it up, or you can press the X button to hang up. Next, we will discuss placing calls on hold or into a park room. If you have a call that you are on that you need to place on hold or that you need to put into a park room, you can push the hold button and the phone will display that they are on hold. This puts the person on hold directly on your extension, and they will listen to hold music until you press the hold key once more to bring them back. If you would like to place them in a call parking room so other people can see the call, you would simply just push the call park room that you'd like to send to, and the phone notifies that it is parking the call. The light will illuminate red, stating that somebody is in the park room, and everyone else with this button on their phone will be able to press it to retrieve that same call back again. To hang up, simply hang up the call. Next, we'll go over transferring phone calls. In the event that you need to transfer a phone call, you may press the transfer key. You would enter the extension number of the person that you would like to transfer to, and then choose blind or attended. A blind transfer will send the call directly to this person, and an attended transfer will allow you to speak to the person first, and then once you have done speaking to them and you would like to transfer it, you can hit the transfer button once more, and it will send the call directly over to them. To make a conference call, once you have a call established, you will place that person on hold, and then you will dial your next number. Once this call has been answered, you will then receive a conference button on the phone. You can push this to connect all of your calls together into a conference. To hang up, press the X.